India is a bedrock of unexplored geological marvels from east to west and north to south. Our nation is endowed with unique geological features of rocks, minerals, fossils, soil and landscapes which has its genesis to billions of years ago. Based on the uniqueness of geological formations and aesthetic appeal, the Geological Survey of India has identified several geological heritage sites and national geological monuments. This will foster conservation of sites, education and promotion of geotourism. Unraveling India's geological marvels. The Naga Hill ophiolites near Pungro, Nagaland consists of a variety of Mesozoic and Cenozoic magmatic and sedimentary rocks. These were originated at the Indian-Myanmar convergent plate boundary, which are tectonically bordered by metamorphic units of the Naga Metamorphic Complex towards the east. The Naga Hills comprises low-lying hill ranges in Indo-Myanmar ranges and trends north-south. A narrow segment of ophiolitic rocks occur in these hills. The geological site at Mamli near Namchi in Sikkim has litho units of Baksa formation that dates back to the Precambrian era. Rajmahal volcanic series and the Rajmahal plant beds together form the Rajmahal group, which constitutes part of the Gondwana supergroup that is situated in Sahibganj, Jharkhand. The Rajmahal volcanic rocks are formed due to the flow of basal lava, resulting in gently dipping flat-topped step-like terraces. It is home to plant fossils which are 68 to 145 million years old. Nomira pillow lava are well-preserved structures in Keonjhar, Orissa. Individual pillows are roughly ellipsoidal and are closely packed structure. These are closely packed with the convexity of one fitting the concavity of the other. Nephilim syenite is a deep-seated rock emplaced along the core of an antiform of metamorphites in Aravalli Craton, Ajmer, Rajasthan. Kishangarh syenite dates back to 1519 million years to 1910 million years. Sendra granite is a plutonic igneous rock that has been surprising the tourists since 900 million years. Over the years, Sendra granite has evolved into a picturesque landscape that is beautifully created by the natural work of wind and water. Bar conglomerate are pebbles composed of quartzite and rare granite gneiss. Conglomerates are crucial in subdividing geological history based on sedimentary breaks. The Malani igneous soot contact sits at the foot of the regal Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur. This geological marvel marks the last phase of igneous activity of the Precambrian age in the Indian subcontinent. Welded tuff at the Jodhpur Fort Hill area occurs within the terrace-like weathered Malani Volcanic. Welded tuff is an emanation that spurted out from volcanic vents. Akal Fossil Wood Park at Jaisalmer is a geological marvel that exhibits rare exposure of 180 million years old fossil log. These fossilized works of nature carry the impressions of luxuriant forests cradled in humid climate bordering the sea during the lower Jurassic age. The western boundary of the Vindhyan Basin, located at Sathur, Bundi district, Rajasthan, is marked by a fault zone named as Great Boundary Fault. It marks the contact between Gwaliors in north-northwest and the upper Vindhyan rocks in south-southeast, as is marked by a group of faults spread over a width of 20 kilometers. This fault is post-Vindhyan and has modified the basin subsequent to the deposition. The formation of the Gosan Zonsat, Rajpura Dariba, Rajsamand district, Rajasthan, has been formed due to extensive chemical weathering and pervasive oxidation of the sulfide sulfur salts ore bodies through prolonged geological periods under favorable climatic conditions. In Rajpura Dariba, the mineralization is confined to graphitic mica schist, dolomite, marble, and cherts of pre-Aravalli group. Excellent stromatolites of different species are exposed within the massive Bhagwanpura limestone of the lower Vindhyan age at or around Bajunda, Chittorgarh district, Rajasthan. Stromatolites are structures produced by blue-green algae which through their filaments attract and bond carbonate particles forming a mat. Stromatolites therefore represent the only available fossil record of the earliest forms of life that are visible through the naked eye. Stromatolite Park, nestled in the Udaipur district, is the largest and the richest deposit of phosphorite associated with stromatolite. This ancient geological park is one of those rare sites that conserves evidences of early life on the earth. Rayoli Dinosaur Fossil Park. Paleontologists accidentally came across the fossil remains and bones in the village of Rayoli in Balasinor. Research has now revealed that there were more than 13 species of dinosaurs that thrived around 65 million years ago. The fossil park here contains life-size statues of those giant creatures. A visit to the fossil park will surely make you dig deep into the history of dinosaurs in Gujarat and will transport you 65 million years back. Lonar is a circular crater reckoned to have developed due to the impact of a large meteorite. This geological monument is the world's largest basaltic impact crater and is a saline soda lake known as Lonar Lake. Shivalik Fossil Park is located in the Markand Valley of Sirmaur district, Himachal Pradesh. This park exhibits the connections of vertebrate fossils from Shivalik that lived in the area about 2.5 million years ago. Marine Gondwana Fossil Park at Manendragarh, Sarguja district, Chhattisgarh is a unique exposure of fossiliferous marine Permian rocks of Talcher Formation belonging to Gondwana supergroup. This park preserves and depicts a rich collection of marine invertebrate and is a great place for geotourism. Bedded Barites is situated near the Mangampeta village in Kudappa district of Andhra Pradesh. This is the world's largest and thickest deposit, having 28% of the known barites reserves of the world. The Mangampeta barites deposits, which occur in the form of two separate lenses, northern lens and southern lens, has estimated resource of 74 million tons of barites. The Eparchian Unconformity is situated by the side of the road that leads to the world-famous temple Tirupati Thirumala Devasthanam on Thirumala Hills. This unique unconformity is a stratigraphic feature representing a time gap of 800 million years between the two subsequent rock units. The oldest Archean granite and the newer Proterozoic Nagari quartzite are the two types of rock that make the Eparchian Unconformity a unique geological monument. The natural arc at the Thirumala Hills surprises many tourists with its matchless geological craft. This geo-heritage monument is pristinely created by nature through intensified climate settings and corrosion of quartzite rocks and is approximately 1600 million years old. Eramati Dibalu is also known as the Red Sand Hills, is located between Vishakhapatnam and Bhimunipatnam districts, situated near to Bay of Bengal. These badlands, great sandbanks, were created by the erosion of sedimentary rocks due to wind and water. This unique geo-heritage site is the result of eons of evolution. This unique exploration also represents the late Quaternary age. Eramati Dibalu has seen the glacial and warm climates. Peninsular gneiss, a rock mass that obtrudes as a hillock, lies in the heart of Bengaluru. This marvelous geological creation is 2,500 to 3,400 million years old. When it comes to this form of rock mass, the Peninsular gneiss exposure, St. Mary's Islands is a set of 4 islands lined across the after coast of Malpe in Udupi district by the Arabian Sea. These natural fractures that make the finest hexagonal honeycomb-like pattern columnar joints in geological terminology. The beautiful geometrical form of the rock mosaic comes across as a meticulous and thoughtful work of art made by an expert and experienced artist. Pillow Lava, a unique geological monument, is situated in Maradihalli, Chitradurga district at an approximate distance of 180 kilometers from Bengaluru. The peculiarity of the Pillow Lava is such that it is formed when the hot molten lava erupts under seawater and solidifies in the form of pillow-shaped structures. The Pillow Lava at Maradihalli is an unparalleled marvel of its kind in the world. The pyroclastic rocks, or welded agglomerate, is an inevitable geological monument. This is located close to the world-famous Kolar fields. The term pyroclastic literally means broken by fire. Pyroclastic rocks have a rock matrix bounded by molten lava ejected during volcanic eruptions. There are famous laterites formation located at Angadipuram, a small town in Malappuram district of Kerala. These laterites are the result of a secondary residual product formed by the weathering of various rock types, which is unlike the igneous, metamorphic or sedimentary rocks that fall in the primary category. Laterites also have economic importance as they consist of various valuable mineral deposits including aluminium ore, bauxite, iron ore and nickel ore. The Varkala cliff ascends its grandeur on the south coast of Kerala, about 55 kilometers north of Thiruvananthapuram, edging the Arabian Sea. The reserves of the fragile sedimentary rocks that include sandstone and carbonaceous clays were formed 23 million to 5 million years ago. National Fossil Wood Park is located 1 kilometer to south of Tiruvakkarai village in Villupuram district, Chennai. Tiruvakkarai houses more than 200 petrified fossil trees ranging in length from 3 to 15 meters and girth up to 5 meters. These ancient trees are preserved in the rocks of Kadalur Formation of Miocene age. Rare species of conifers and palms are found in the remains of fossilized trees. Woody structure, annular structure, pit structure and knots are the types of preserves found here. In the Sattanur village, this park holds a large trunk of petrified trees that measures over 80 meters in length and is believed to be over 120 million years old. This fossil wood reflects geological evidence of presence of sea here. To foster geotourism, the local panchayat is managing this geo-heritage and is creating a sustainable economy and community development. The typical Chanukite exposure of quartz feldspar hypersthene rocks sits atop of St. Thomas Mount in Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu. Geologists believe that this attractive geological monument elucidates primordial crustal evolution of the earth. The spectacular stretch of Karai Badlands contours across the Alathur-Arialur road in Perambalur district. The Karai Badlands is the world's paramount marine Cretaceous section that belongs to the marine sediments of Kaveri Basin. For fossil anthology, this series of natural conical hillocks with badlands topography is a paradise. Enhancing the experience of India's geo-heritage journey today. Exploring the geo-heritage gems of tomorrow.